Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friend. Today I am going to show you how to install customer recovery in on any devices. I have Redmi Note 7. Firstly, you need to turn on your developer mode, go to about and tap 7 times on builder. Now I am come in developer mode, and there is USB debugging and OME unlocking. Turn on both. In my case, OME is not available. And now come to the screen and hold volume down and power key continuously. Then you will go in fast boot mode. After that, connect to your USB cable with your PC. You need some files like a ADV driver and recovery that are given in my description. Go and open it, download it, and after that open the CMD. uh, in upper there is where I clicked. You need to click there and type CMD. After that, a dialog box open, and here we will type AD. Oh, sorry guys. Here we will type ADB devices. Guys. Yes guys. Here we will type ADB devices and then enter. After that, type fast boot fast boot devices. Then he will show. Then it will show some like port code like that. And after that, type fastboot boot and copy that recovery img file. Put and oh guys, I think I entered something wrong. I need to delete it and type fastboot recovery. Guys, go and watch my other videos that are in my channel and also in description. Oxygen OS, I have lots of video. After that, it will show like that and automatically reboot. If not reboot automatically in recovery, then press hold volume up and power key continuously. Okay guys, thank you. Subscribe.